hurry up, because I have to restart it like a lot of times, and I'm not certainly doing it again. Anyway, back here, 2258 for the extra head, and I'm not. Oh, head AC 173. I couldn't even find the real nose, and I thought I could find it, but can't. Nah. Okay, I gotta hurry up and look for it. Hold on. I'm gonna look. Oh yeah, I found it. Okay. Oh god, it's all coming back to me. Oh my god, can they stop texting? Okay. Now we're good. Okay. Oh, it's just Caddy. It's just Caddy. It's not a big of a deal. Face AC1 2382 for the mustache. Or should I call him Puke Stash? Or should I call him Pingus? Anyway, 197 for pink nose. I don't really know. It's coming back. It's coming back to no logic for me. Like, I remember this show, and let me tell you, it's funny. I kinda didn't like how they made Eggman, this Eggman, kinda. No, I'm not gonna get terminated. No, I'm not gonna get terminated for the second time. No. Okay, let's. I'm just gonna get back into the tutorial. Anyway, 3,350 for mouth. Okay, shirt 23, sleeves 34, belt 42, pants 1, choose 6316 for the and just choose any one you want, and that's it. And for the skin color, pause and copy, and copy, and just pause and copy and paste it to this, and just go back to copying this. Pause and copy, 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 and you're done.